Junkfoodtaster.com. Here we go. This episode is a big parcel unboxing with products from the United States. So, let's check it out, my beautiful friends. Yeah, it's very big. Oh, it's very big. Sort of crash on the scenery. Where do I put the parcel? Let's get rid of this here. So I bought, my friends, as you can see, Pringles and Oreos. I bought this one, and actually I already reviewed Oreos, but now I want to make a comparison: European produced versus original American produced ones. And yeah, is there a difference in recipe? Alrighty, so I'm a little bit in shock right now. I checked the packaging. So this is not original American. This seems to be like UK. Anyways, let's get over. But this one is original American. So this is Reese Puffs. Yeah. So doesn't this look super awesome? And I can tell you this is original American because it got the American style nutrition facts on, and also like here, where they say how much weight it is, they tell it in ounces instead of grams, but they have the grams anyways. Alrighty. Let's get more. Then I prepared a fancy Pringles episode. So they got this for Pringles, which I hope are sort of exotic. I think this one is exotic. Oops. This one is a Conchon Laljo. Okay, this seems awesome. This is also not American. Alrighty, so this is original American. They sort of tricked me. So this is like the French face, and here is American dill pickle. So I haven't seen something like this. So it's multi-language dill pickle. Alrighty. So let's continue, my beautiful friend. Then I got this, and I have to look at the best befores. It's important. And I think this one will get first. These are called the Fruit Gushers. This box seems rather empty. Then I bought a Hamburger Helper double cheeseburger macaroni with real cheese. So we have some cooking action. Let's see how much views this will generate. Then I got a sort of similar product. Look at this. I bought this mainly because of the cover. Manwich Original Sloppy Joe Sauce. This is an awesome name. And this can look strange. Okay. Okay. So then comes the Dr. Pepper. And I bought Dr. Pepper Strawberry Cream. So this will be a fancy soft drink Monday. And look at this cheese sip, spray cheese. I'm very. I played a video game. There was like the spray cheese, and I was thinking this was a joke. And then I saw on the online store that in USA there is spray cheese, and they call it cheese sip. Alrighty, made with cheddar cheese. Okay. This bottle feels strange, so the mass of the weight is here. Strange center of mass. Alrighty. Anyways, so I bought this. This is the main reason I bought this was because there's M&M packaging. I have to say the printing quality on American products, I don't know if you can see it on camera, is not as good as in Germany. I think you can especially see it here. This, and also here, not perfect alignment. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, look at this warheads. Trio gel. That's really interesting, I hope. Then here we go. I got icebreakers. Just some. Oh, this packaging is super fancy, isn't it? Then jelly beans. Then yeah, they also, so this is Japanese stuff. The only thing which is not from USA, except for the Oreo. So I bought these, whatever was cheap. I think I have to do this as well. And then bought Tic Tac, Big Berry Adventure. Anyways, so this was my little parcel. I hope it gets good views, because this stuff to buy and import is really very expensive. Yeah. Many greetings to all my American viewers. Very important viewer community. Also, I think that American products are more interesting for like the other countries as well. So yeah, I line up now for a nice thumbnail picture. Oh, nothing else to do now. And then I say farewell. This is interesting. This never seen something like this, I have to say this. So it's too much. It's too much for the picture. I'm a little disappointed with Oreo, but yeah, I don't know. Here we go, my beautiful friends. Here comes the picture. So write a comment which one of these you are most excited to see the review. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. No, I need to log what we did today. Alrighty, so here we go. Good old logbook, and this will be a Sunday episode on the 84. Actually, no rating. What was this USA parcel unboxing? USA parcel unboxing. Alright, so tomorrow is soft drink money. I'm not quite sure whether I do Dr. Pepper. Let's see.